Hello students, welcome back to the VPS online class. Today we will start our new chapter of coursebook lesson 13, the story of Ali Kogia. Okay, this story has two scenes. Now come to the book. Yes, lesson 13, the story of Ali Kogia. In this story has two scenes. Now today we will discuss about scene 1. Okay, now the story takes place in the house of the merchant in Baghdad, and the time was evening. And in this story there were two characters, the merchant and his wife. Now the merchant and his wife are at supper. Supper means the evening meals. Okay students, now they both, merchant and his wife, was having supper at that time. Now come to the wife. Our neighbors bought some fine olives today. It has been a long time since we have had olives. I am quite hungry for them. In this stanza, this paragraph, his wife, the wife of merchant, is saying that our neighbors means their neighbors, padosi, they have bought some olives, and she is also hungry for that olives, means she also wanted to eat olives, so she told her husband. Now come to the merchant. Now you speak of olives, you put in my mind the jar which Ali Kogia left with me. Surely a jar of olives is not to be guarded so carefully year after year. Here his husband said that, oh, you have remembered me about the jar which his friend has kept to him. When his friend Ali Kogia goes to a pilgrimage to Makkah, he hides 1,000 pieces of gold in a jar of olives and leaves it for safekeeping with a neighbor. Neighbor means this person. Okay, this merchant. Now wife, that is Ali Kogia's affair, not ours. Besides, the olives can't be good after all this time. His wife said that olives will be surely damaged or not good for eating, and it is also not good to take others' property or check others' property. So he said, student, do you know what is the meaning of olives? Olives is a small green or black fruit with a bitter taste. And the meaning of merchant is a person whose job is to buy and sell goods, means dealer or traders. And the Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. It is also the largest city in Iraq. Okay, in the story takes place in Baghdad, and the merchant and his wife was discussing the matter. But the merchant didn't listen to her wife, and he told that I will check the jar. Merchant, I mean to have a taste of them at least, means he convinced his wife that he will only check the jar. Wife angrily, you are betraying the trust your friend placed in you. I will not remain to witness it, means his wife didn't want to open that jar because it will betray the trust of his friend. Now she leaves the room, means she left the room. The merchant crosses, annoyed, to his wife and takes cover from jar, and he opened the jar's cover. He turns the jar up and shakes out the olives. Several gold pieces fall down, means when he shakes the olives jar, and at the top of the jar there were olives, and in between there were some gold pieces, and all the gold pieces fall out. Merchant, what is this? Gold pieces? As I live, gold. He was so happy to see the gold pieces. So he was so happy, and he expressed his happiness. What is this? Means he was surprised to see the gold pieces, and he checked once again for sure gold. Means he was too much surprised to see the gold in the jar of the olives. He shakes the jar again. A shower of gold pieces fall, and he started shaking again and again. And the shower of gold pieces means many gold pieces fall down. Merchant. Dropping the jar in astonishment means he was so surprised and he dropped the jar. 1,000 pieces at least. The top of the jar only was laid with olives, means at the top of the jar there were olives, and in between there were 1,000 pieces of gold. He puts the gold into his pockets, and he started putting all the gold pieces in his pocket. Today, when my wife is asleep, I will fill the jar entirely with fresh olives. He thought that when his wife will sleep, then he will fill the jar with the olives and keep all the gold pieces with him. For these show they have been disturbed, and I will make up the jar so that no one except Ali Kogia himself will know they have been touched. Means he thought of a plan to fill the jar with olives and take all the gold pieces with them. In this way, the merchant became greedy, and he even didn't want to inform his wife about the gold pieces in the jar, because his wife denied to check the jar of his friend. Now the students, the merchant's greed will lead him to a danger. Now in the next video I will explain the scene 2.